when everybody is asleep late at night and I have to use the microwave. I put the food inside and I stand right next to it in anticipation, and then clack, I open it just before it hits 0, and it doesn't do the beep 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 at the end. Wow. It feels like I'm Tom Cruise saving the world, protecting everybody's sleep. Good job, Daniel. Good job. But then I realized that the food is still cold and that I'm gonna have to use the microwave again. I can't. It's like everything I did was for nothing. A second ago I was Tom Cruise, and now I'm like, beep, beep, beep. I'm a joke. What's the point? Life has no meaning.